How to cash out. In Encore, there are two methods to keep track of your daily totals and cash out at the end of your day. They are called daily cash out and cash drawer management. We will go over both areas, starting with daily cash out. First, go to Utilities. Click on Daily Cash Out. Here, you will see totals for each payment type. Daily Cash Out is a basic tool to track end-of-day totals. Choose the date you want to view under Selected Date. Underneath, you will see your service and product totals separated by category. The payment summary area shows recorded totals, which are the totals of each pay type determined by all of the invoices that have been finished for the day. The actual totals allow you to record if there is a discrepancy between what was recorded and what was actually collected by the business. If you click on the calculator icon, you will be taken to a screen to be able to count your cash by each coin or bill type. If you are over or under, you will see the amount at the bottom of the screen. Click Save when you are done. You can then use the print button to print off a report if you would like it for your records. The Reload Actual Values button allows you to reset any changes you have made. We are now finished going over daily cash out. For the cash drawer management feature, we will go back to Utilities and click on Cash Drawer Management. Cash Drawer Management generates end-of-day totals similar to the daily cash out tool, while also keeping track of the cash float in your drawer. Click Add New to add a cash drawer. We will name the drawer Cash Drawer. Please note, if you are adding a cash drawer to Encore for the first time, the first session will only show the payments made after it was created. Under Target Float, set the amount that you want your float to be each day. If you want to keep your float flexible, leave this field blank. If Target Float is set, Encore will attempt to keep cash in the drawer equal to the target float amount. Add your initial float amount. This will be the cash you have in your drawer right now. Click Save when done. Once you have added your cash drawer, you will need to start a session before making a sale. If you try to make a sale before starting a session, you will be prompted to start one. Click Start Session. Under Actual Float, you will see the amount you set previously. If your float amount is different, you can adjust it. Cash Drawer Used By allows you to specify which transactions to record with this session. Most commonly, All Transactions is selected. This tracks all transactions done in the software. Transactions on this computer will track only transactions done on the device you are using. This is intended for a situation where you have multiple computers with separate cash drawers that need to be tracked. Transactions by will track only transactions done by a specified employee. We will select all transactions for this tutorial. Click Start. You will see a button labeled Cash Drawer Utility. If you click on this, you will have the option to perform a midday cash count or adjust the float amount during a shift transition. Click View Report to view a report of the cash drawer. Now that our session has started, we will go off screen and make a few demo sales. We will meet you back in Cash Drawer Management once done to show you how to cash out. Now that we have checked out a few sales, we will show you how to cash out at the end of your business day. Click Stop Session. Click Yes. Click Cash Out. On this screen, you will see your totals for the cash drawer session. Your closing float will be listed at the top. You can use the calculator button to count your cash by each coin or bill type. If you would like to add or subtract from your float, you can enter a new amount into the closing float box. If you have a target float amount set, you will be asked if you want to deposit whole dollars, all extra, or do not deposit. Whole dollars means the amount past the target float that is a full dollar value will be sent to deposit, any cents will be left in the float. All extra means all dollars and cents over the target float will be deposited. Do not deposit means that the float will remain the total of all cash counted and nothing will be sent to deposit. The recorded cash deposit field is the amount you need to take out of your drawer to deposit at your bank in order to get your float to the closing float amount. Unless you have an imbalance in the drawer or are adjusting your float, you will enter the same amount into the actual cash deposit field, indicating that amount has come out of the drawer. You can use the calculator button to count your cash by each coin or bill type. The depositable and non-depositable recorded totals are determined by all of the invoices that have been finished for the day. The actual totals allow you to record if there is a discrepancy between what was recorded and what was actually collected by the business. In most cases, if you recorded your invoices properly, there will not be a need to modify the actual fields for any pay type but cash. Once finished, click Save. You will be prompted to view and print or download a copy of your Cashout report. If you ever need to view or edit a past Cashout, click the Cashouts tab. Click on a past Cashout session to view and edit it. We have now gone over how to cash out. Thanks for watching.